People who love Shiba Inu were taken aback by a huge development today. At long last, Bitcoin is becoming unpopular. Today, Bitcoin did not reach any new all-time highs. Additionally, the altcoin area is receiving a very optimistic signal. At the moment, Shiba Inu whales are behaving irrationally. The daily net flow of Shiba Inu has seen a tremendous spike, increasing by about 7,100% in the span of a few hours. This is happening even though the price fell continuously yesterday. The news got out of hand quickly. That sparked a rush of enthusiasm among all. But you may be asking, why is this happening? Who cares about Blackrock anyway? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Important notice, Shiba Inu are in for a treat today. The market has experienced some unexpected changes with the net flow for Shiba Inu increasing by an astounding 7,100%. Also, the price went up a bit, which is a positive indicator. To put everything in perspective, Shiba Inu has been through a difficult time as of late. Down to yesterday's floor price, which marked a crucial support level. The good news is that it recovered fast, gaining 4.5% in a single day and maintaining a firm position above that critical support. However, the intriguing aspect is here. The major shareholders, or whales who own a large percentage of Shiba Inu, remain somewhat optimistic. Despite the market's difficulties, actually they've been stocking up on Shiba Inu since earlier this month. Shiba Inu, valued at over $17 million, flooded these whales just yesterday to the tune of $800 billion. Despite all the uncertainty, it's the highest point in the last 11 days, so that's encouraging. The neighborhood is just humming with excitement, and a lot of noise has been generated by this major development. Significantly, it demonstrates that demand is still high, particularly from those whales. This is a much-needed reprieve notwithstanding yesterday's market struggles and lethargic movements. Big players' continued interest, despite the prolonged downturn, is a testament to their faith in Shiba Inu's potential. Because as is well known, things became a little more tricky yesterday. Some big worries that could determine the asset's fate were highlighted by on-chain data. A massive support level of 67 trillion. Shiba Inu is at jeopardy because the market is still in a negative mindset. Wait, there's more. Regardless, this decision is a game changer for the Shiba Inu community because whale demand is still strong at the moment. This inspires hope for the future since it indicates that the major actors still believe in the potential of Shiba Inu despite all the problems. However, you may be asking, what's the big deal? The price changes aren't as sharp or rapid as they once were. Why is that? Isn't it a little bit puzzling? I sense a shift in energy. It seems that the strain is felt by more than simply Shiba Inu. Additionally, Bitcoin's value is falling. The price of Bitcoin has been falling continuously and has recently hit a crucial support level, according to a Twitter financial expert. Important as support levels are as price safety nets, this development warrants close attention. Everyone knows that Shiba Inu and Bitcoin have a history of moving in tandem. In most cases, Shiba Inu follow Bitcoin's price declines. Shiba Inu prices are also moving slowly, which is hardly surprising given Bitcoin's struggles and the fact that it has struck that crucial support. They seem to be entwined as if they're both caught in the same wave. That explains why, despite the fact that whale demand is still there, the large price oscillations of yesteryear are absent. As the market as a whole continues its downward spiral, Shiba Inu is essentially behaving like Bitcoin and moving more carefully. Some good news, though, is on the way, says the same Twitter expert. A possible bounce back is becoming more apparent as the chart steadily recovers. According to him, this might be the beginning of an altcoin season, when currencies like Shiba Inu could acquire traction once more. Observing the graphs, he perceived indications of a change. Altcoins may be poised for a resurgence as things are exhibiting signs of stabilization and good movement. Even though it's early, Shiba Inu in the market could benefit from this comeback if it lasts. Just when we think things are about to get exciting again, it might all change in an instant. What the statistics reveal is intriguing, therefore it's possible this is accurate. A massive influx of Ethereum has reportedly occurred, which may indicate that interest is beginning to move away from Bitcoin and towards alternative cryptocurrencies. A big change was highlighted by one Twitter analyst. More than $130 million poured into Ethereum ETFs yesterday. At the same time, around $226 million left the Bitcoin market. It appears that major players are shifting their focus from Bitcoin to altcoins, which is a significant distinction. This is monumental since Bitcoin has been king as of Late, setting new records on a regular basis and retaining all eyes on it, the alternative cryptocurrency market, meanwhile, has been lagging behind. Things may be changing now that we're refocusing our efforts. The crypto market as a whole is benefiting from people's growing interest in altcoins. The promise of altcoins can be overshadowed when Bitcoin receives all the attention. However, if more people start paying attention to cryptocurrencies, it might spark a new era of innovation and growth in the industry as a whole. The crypto industry has the potential to develop and diversify in the long term if Bitcoin and altcoins continue to thrive in tandem. Taking into account the predictions made by the analysts, this change in the market is very logical. It appears that major institutions are getting ready for an altcoin season, what with all the interest in Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. When we talk about large institutions, we should mention that even Blackrock has taken notice of this trend towards alternative cryptocurrencies. The news broke today via a Twitter post that Blackrock spent an enormous $89.5 million on Ethereum. Despite the recent decline in its value, this is excellent news for Shiba Inu. An exciting development in the altcoin industry, including Shiba Inu, might be the heavy investment in Ethereum by major companies like Blackrock. Many cryptocurrencies experience price increases in tandem with Ethereum as it gains popularity. Thus, this type of institutional investment demonstrates that there is still a great deal of room for expansion despite the fact that Shiba Inu prices are currently experiencing a downturn. When major investors like BlackRock support Ethereum, it gives the Shiba Inu community a lot of hope. What this suggests is that Shiba Inu could be riding the cryptocurrency market's impending huge rally. As the new altcoin season begins, Shiba Inu might be among the major beneficiaries. It's like a spark that could ignite the fire for other coins. Because of this price drop may seem unnerving when you look back. However, it's really not a major concern. Market dips like these might make people anxious. Nonetheless, many investors, particularly whales, view it as a chance to increase their holdings. Big players are well aware that market cycles are cyclical, and that during downturns, they may frequently acquire assets at a discounted price in preparation for the next upswing. The truth is that whales have been stockpiling Shiba Inu in droves despite the declining price. These major participants are not retreating. While the price is cheap, they are grabbing the chance to stock up on Shiba Inu. Even though the market is faltering, the whales' behavior like this demonstrates that they still believe in Shiba Inu's future. Indeed, we should not let ourselves be consumed by the pessimism that permeates our surroundings. The skepticism of others might quickly cloud our judgment. Now is the moment to maintain an optimistic outlook and trust in Shiba Inu. With the arrival of the holiday season, it is particularly fitting to reflect on our joys and the reasons we are a part of the Shiba Inu community. The famous Shiba Inu team member Lucy tweeted a reminder of this on Christmas Eve, for example. Harmony, Shiba Inu Army, she wished them on Christmas Eve. Make the most of this precious time by doing what makes you happy and spending it with the people you love. Particularly in this moment, her message is so relevant. Sharing good cheer with loved ones and appreciating life's simple pleasures are at the heart of the holiday season. Let us maintain an optimistic outlook, as Lucy said. Have a wonderful holiday season, and have faith in Shiba Inu's potential. Staying united and trusting in what's ahead is the Shiba Inu community's mantra, even when the market seems unclear. However, how do you feel about this? Submit your thoughts in the space provided. Make sure you click on one of the videos you see on the screen if you are keen to find out more. After that, the video comes to a close. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get updates from this channel if you liked the video. You risk financial loss if you fail to implement a crucial Shiba Inu upgrade. Because of this, you should not take any chances. Additionally, we kindly request